This is our 9-in-1 adhesive solution, the MEA 9-in-1 AM. Comes standard with 3-meter cables and SMA connectors. This has 4 5G antennas, 4 dual-band Wi-Fi antennas, and 1 GNSS antenna. At the same time, this comes with a 3M adhesive foam tape to be mounted at the back. And this is great for applications where the antenna is going to be located in the rear of a vehicle. So this just gets stick to the window and you route your cable all the way to your cradle point router. At the same time, the antenna is IP67 rated. Thank you so much for watching this video today. If you want more information about this product, please reach out to our local sales team and our channel partners for more information about this.